I welcome you today to my honorable channel. As you already know, on my channel, I create videos on how you can make money online, right? And today is no exemption. So today we're gonna look at how you can calculate your stop loss and take profit in terms of dollars, right? So whenever you enter a trade, you know the exact amount you are risking based on your entry price and your stop loss, and also how much you will be gaining in dollars in terms of take profit and entry price. I hope this makes sense, because as a cautioned trader, it's always good to know these guys or these stars even before you enter a trade, so that you will know the exact percentage of your capital you are risking in that trade, whether it falls within your risk management rules or not. So that is why I am with you today. I already have a video that have a content in which I explained the concept of stop loss and take profit. So when you come to my channel, just click on videos and you see it right here. In fact, I have lots of videos on how to make money online, and I just introduced Forex trading content. So I'm holding your hand. If you are a complete newbie, even if you are a pro trader, I think reflecting on what you've learned way back isn't that bad deal. So in this video, I explained the concept of stop loss and take profit and how to place them. So after you've placed them, today we are going to learn how to calculate them to know the amount you are risking in any trade. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. So I'll plead with you, if today happens to be your first time coming across a content on my channel, why don't you subscribe? Why don't you leave a positive comment? As in no time, within the shortest possible time, we are going to have a giveaway for people that have been leaving us positive comments, and you can be among those lucky winners. Trust me. We also have a club, a billionaires club on WhatsApp, that we share trade setups and ideas. That's where people has been making insane dollars on a daily basis. I will leave the link in the description and also pin it in the comment section. If you don't have an account with any broker, I normally trade volatility indices, right? I will leave my affiliate link. You can create an account with me, and trust me, we are all going to milk the financial market. If you know how to trade, it means you know how to make money, and trust me, it's a very powerful tool. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in as I hold your hand and show you how you can calculate your stop loss and take profit. Alright, so this is my MT5 interface on volatility 75 index. It's the only asset I trade. I don't trade currency pairs. I don't trade anything apart from volatility 75 index. So I'm going to place a live trade, set my stop loss and take profit, and then calculate the exact amount in dollars for you to know how I did it, right? It's as simple as ABCD. So I have this chart on 4-hour time frame. Let me delete some of these guys so you have a clearer view, right? Okay, so let me delete this RSI. Let me delete this guy. All right, so the page is looking so jeje. So I'll only leave the stochastic oscillator. Okay, let me delete that one too, because with or without them, based on technical analysis, we can do everything that we want throw money that strengthens us. All right, so this is my interface. As you can see, there's this support I marked on 1 hour, sorry, on 4 hour time frame, right? I would have actually been in this trade long time, but because I wanted to create this video to teach you guys, and when this guy, the chart price came into my support zone, I was actually waiting for this formation to form. This is what I call my swing formation. I'll have a live tutorial on it and how you can enter a trade whenever you see this guy formed. When you mark it on 4 hour, you expect it to form on 1 hour, and when you mark a support in 1 hour, you expect it to form on 15 minutes. So it has actually formed on my 1 hour, and entering this trade was something I couldn't waste much time upon at all. This was my entry, right? Right when this guy entered the zone, I would have entered, right? So now let's go back to business. Let's go to the 4H time frame, and then I'm going to place a live trade, right? I'm going to place a buy trade. So I'll just click on buy. I'll just click on buy, right? So I've placed a buy trade, right? And this is where I'm going to set my stop loss, though it's going to be wide, but I'm only using this guy to teach you something, right? To teach you something here, but I'm actually not going to use this wide something, right? I'm going to set my stop loss here. Yes, right after this sexy order block. So it's at 0.33865.40. I'm talking about this guy here, right? This is where I'm going to place my stop loss, right? And I'm actually going to take my profit here. When price reaches this guy, I'm going to take my profit, right? You see, I understand this market like mad, like something. It's because it's the only asset I trade, right? You can also enter, or I'll enter another trade if this 1 hour candle closes above this green moving average here. I'll enter another position. So I'm going to take profit at 361,455.55, right? So this is going to be my my take profit, right? And let's look at my entry price. Where did I actually bought this market? So this is where we will see it. Let's click on trade. Let's click on trade. As you can see, we are already in profit with 32 cents, though it's not that much, but actually we know what we are doing and the odds are in our favor. So I actually entered this market here right at this guy. Let's put the cursor there. Yes, I entered at my entry price was at 3454 345457.19. It's actually good for you to know all these guys, right? It's actually good for you to know how to do all these things, right? So now we've entered the market, right? We've entered the market. We've placed a buy. See something here, guys, don't fade. See something here. You've entered the market, you've set, okay, let me set my stop loss and take profit. Actually, let me set my stop loss. So my stop loss is at 338,645.4, and then my take profit is at 361,455.55. That's my take profit. So I'll modify these guys, right? So as you can see, I've set them, and this sexy red guy here is my stop loss, and this guy is my take profit. That's where I will be taking out my profit when market gets to that section. So now, how much have we risked? How much have I risked from this entry point to this point, provided price doesn't go up and it decides to come down and opt me or take me out of the market? How much will I be losing in terms of dollars? That's what we are going to do. And how much am I going to gain if price goes, the odds goes in my favor, and then price moves from this entry price right to my take profit? How much am I going to gain in terms of dollars? It's as simple as ABCD, guys. So let's do this. Let me get a white screen like this. Oh my god, this guy don't want to. Okay, let me actually delete this sexy resistance I drew, and we'll be using this section, right? So this is how it goes to actually get your stop loss. Let's calculate the stop loss first. It goes like this: subtracts, it goes like entry price minus stop loss, right? All these guys, when you do the subtraction and you get the exact figure, multiply it by the lot size, right? So entry price minus stop loss multiplied by lot size will give us our stop loss in dollars. So this is the lot size. Don't forget, I've taught you about lot size. I think in the first video, you can check it. So this is the lot size I used. I used the minimum lot size, right? That's 0.001. So let's do this calculation now. So my entry price is there, my stop loss is there. So let's do the calculation and we will see how much we are risking now. So let me go and then open my sexy calculator on my phone, right? So this is my calculator. All right. So my entry price is 345,457.19 minus the stop loss is 338,645.4, right? 0.4. So if I'm to subtract these guys, this is what I'll be getting, and the lot size is 0.001. So meaning on this trade I am risking $6.8, right? On this trade I am risking $6.8. Now let's calculate the take profit if the odds goes in my favor, and that one too is as simple as ABCD. To get to know how much you will be winning or the amount you will be gaining if the odds goes in your favor, it's simple, right? You're going to subtract this your entry price from your take profit, and then you multiply it by the lot size. So take note, This one also goes like this. It's going to be like take profits minus entry price, right? All these guys multiplied by the lot size. I hope I'm making sense here. I hope you are getting the whole drill, right? Okay, so now let's go in and do the calculation. Where is my sexy calculator? So my take profit has been set to, or has been set at 361,455.55, right? Sorry, 455.55, right? Minus the entry price was 345,457.19, right? So this answer that I'll get multiplied by the 0.001. So you see something here. If I'm to win this trade, I'll actually be making $15, 15.99. So let me round it up to $16. So this is something like a one is to 2 point something risk reward ratio, and it's very amazing. We will be risking, let me round it up to $7, right? We'll be risking $7, and when we win the trade, though it's 6.8, but when we round it up, let's say we'll be risking $7, right? And when we win this trade, we are going to get $16, which is almost 1:2 or 1:2.2 or something risk reward ratio. Isn't this amazing? That's what I love about trading, and that's why I normally encourage most of the youth. Guys, you are graduates. Sometimes it saddened my heart when I see graduates advocating for unemployed something association in the country, in Africa here. Listen, our governments are not going to help us. Our leaders are not going to help us. You see, if you take this trade and you win, you are going to, though you are not going to win all the time, but just imagine, just think about it. Don't let the fear of losing deprive you from the happiness you get when you win. You see that if you are able to get this $15 today, tomorrow you get, okay, you just target just $10 each day, though you are not going to get it all days. But if you are able to get $10 for 20 days, just do the calculation. This is 10 times 20, right, which is $200. So in the month, you take, let's say 30 trades, right? 30 trades. Each day you target just $10 multiplied by 30, you are going to get something like $300. I'm in Ghana. Let me convert this to cedis, and you see something. This is something like 3,450 Ghana cedis, right? So let's say out of these 30 trades, right, you lost like 10 and you won 20, because always based on my strategy that I will be teaching you when you join my Billionaires Club, always the odds are going to be in your favor, right? So if out of this you even won just 20 trades and your target was $10, though we'll be making like $15, 16, even yesterday we made almost $30 in a trade. You see, it's amazing and very crazy. You see that? So when you are with us, you are going to make something not less than 2,000 Ghana cedis every month. You see, it's 100% assured. You see, guys, come online, come with us, trade with us, and you will make money. Please, if you found value in this content, Don't forget to share, because so many people out there need this, need to be enlightened. This is my channel. This is Smart Money AI. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you another time in another exciting video. I'm Stanley One. See you another time. Bye bye.